They can't run anymore. They can't hide anymore. Something about a Cancer is here in the reverse. Something Spirit is giving me about a deadly game here. They wanted to tear down what you have built. They wanted to put a crack in your foundation, Spirit is giving me. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you all are doing amazing. Something about they're drowning right now in fear. Gasping for air. This was a suicide mission for someone. For you, collective. I feel like a whole community or group here that they're realizing this was a deadly game, that they were on a suicide mission against your life here. They wanted to tear down something that you were building. They're getting bad karma right now. Something about somebody's tooth or a toothache or something like that. Spirit is saying that's not like a normal toothache. Somebody, you maybe have something going on with your mouth here. Something about spotlight in a reverse. So they wanted to reverse your spotlight, your essence, so you're in the public eye. A whole community here. They're gasping for air. They don't know what to do. Fake news, Spirit is giving me. A fake narrative. The group is trying to get out of a fake narrative that they created about you. They're frustrated right now getting karma, guys. I can't make it up. They were trying to control you. Something about them getting ready to hit rock bottom. I feel like this is the same thing that they wanted for you. Deadly situation, deadly game, voodoo in the reverse. They were trying to stop you on this journey to self-discovery here. You've mastered yourself, Spirit is saying. They're getting ready to be blocked. They know who you are now. They need your energy. So this is energy vampires. Something about a client of yours that could have been associated with this group that came in to find out information or to see like how they could destroy something for you. They need your energy here. They're frustrated. Yeah, Spirit is saying like this is no more. There's a discovery here about you being a treasure. You are the key. So they played a deadly game. They're wanting to get out of this storm here. They were trying to tear down something that you built, collective. Something about your soul's journey, your soul's voice here. They were trying to stop you from being heard. They were trying to stop you from venturing into a path that you were chosen for. Somebody's gasping for air in this group, or this could be this whole group here, this community in a reverse about your self-discovery. That whatever they were trying to tear down for you, it actually made you stronger. Somebody could have been impersonating you, posting things about you, negativity, to try to like push people away from you, but instead it pushed people towards you. You could be going through a lot of projection at this time. Workplace, family, where you live, whatever this may be. Take it how it may resonate. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I greatly, greatly appreciate it, guys. You guys are amazing. So we have a lot of, I need to get a paper towel for this. Yeah, so we have our cup, you know, the little cup, I'm gonna put it on, but yeah. We have a lot of projection, so there's a lot of projection right now. There's a group in your energy that they're operating out of their south node, that they have to get you into a confrontation. If they could get you into like a confrontation with them, that you would lose something, it would cause you to be off balance here. But because you have a magical protector, your Akashic records are open to you. Yeah, you're not letting fear stop you. Somebody wants you to be in a fearful energy, like somebody wants to like cause like some type of disturbance in your energy for you to have a reaction, so that you could just give up on something, or something could just disappear out of your life. Yeah, but you're not letting fear stop you. Something about a group that was trying to keep you in the dark here, but you found solutions here in the darkness here. Yeah, this was unexpected for them. They did not see this coming. You have the gift of scarce sight. Somebody may be 34, 29, 33. Something about March 29th. March 3rd is here. September 4th, September 16th, September 26th is very, very significant. Yeah, so a lot of projection right now in your energy. This group here that's operating in their south node right now, they're trying to get you to come off of your north node. Excuse me. Yeah, your north node. Something about deep secrets being revealed. They were hiding the facts of a situation with fake news, a fake narrative or something like that. Yeah, they were trying to cause you legal issues. This is in a reverse. Trying to cop block you. They could have been saying that you were begging for money or something, or saying that you were a broke ass. Something about you getting ready to get some type of payment. Yeah, something about somebody's account has been blocked, that they were stalking you, like watching you obsessively. They were cyberbullying you, making false reports and things like that. Their scarcity tactics have reversed upon them. Yeah, you're not rejected. Something about you getting ready to travel. A thief here is worried about something that they owe somebody. So they could have paid somebody something, or they promised somebody a payment, but they're not able to fulfill that promise. And now the thief here is worried about a physical assault, worried about someone coming towards them. This was a payment to sabotage you. I hear a conversation, somebody saying like you didn't do it on time, or this was a waste of my time. Somebody is requesting for their money here because they did not give you a bad reputation. Instead of them giving you a bad reputation, it actually built your reputation. Yeah, you dusted this off. People are actually looking you up about this this plot here to destroy you. This group is creeping in your energy, stuck in their head about all the shit that they were talking about you. They're hunted right now about this dirty offer. I feel like they're all like turning their backs on one another. Like this whole group is like fake smiles, surrounded by fake smiles. Somebody wants you back that could have joined this group that had no facts. They were in their ego here. Because you're hustling, you're getting money. Somebody in this group is getting ready to get into altercation about some money, something that they did not receive, or something that somebody could have promised them, like you were going to go down or you were going to fall off or something like that. But something about your creativity, they can't manifest off of you. You're moving in silence. These people that are always partying, karmic friends in a reverse, spiritual haters in a reverse, you're unbothered, groupies in a reverse. Somebody is bankrupt here that married for money in a situation. You're moving on. You're not hooked. You dodge these bullets from negativity. Somebody in this group could also be carless here. So they're already feeling like the negative effects of them attacking you, collective. They're projecting on you right now. Happiness haters doing the same shit on a different day. We have a boss daddy here in your energy that's watching you. Yeah, dirt digging here. They can't find information about you. Drum starters in a reverse. Something about you relocating. Crying over you. Intimidated. This is like weird. They could have made fake accounts and made it appear as if you had bad habits, or if you had like some type of drug addiction or something. Wolves in sheep clothing here impersonating you. You're unfazed. Yeah, clout hungry. Says anything, does anything, makes up shit. Very, very dramatic. So this whole group made up lies about you. They are right now like fighting amongst one another, realizing like you are the key. They're trying to figure out like how they were not able to make something stick in your energy. Yeah, something about layers are disappearing. So whatever fake narrative that they had, they were painting, like the layers are disappearing. People are actually seeing you for who you are. This group is stuck right now. They're drowning. Somebody's sick in this group, realizing like this was a deadly game that they were playing. This was to control you, to get you to operate in your self node, because they did not want you to receive something. This is giving me a group, or they just did not want you to reach your full potential here. This is giving me a group like they have a reprobated mindset. They're angry. They wanted to fight you and now they're fighting themselves. They were saying things to put you down, or this could be going on right now because they're mad because you've already won here. They don't want to accept defeat here. Something about somebody's mother. Yeah, somebody wanted to wage war against you because of your faith. Somebody even wanted to poison you and give you something to eat because you overcame fear. You were not supposed to discover your promise. Somebody was trying to find a way, like they wanted to force you underground, like they never wanted you to be seen. They could have been trying to cause you like some type of disaster, or they were making like a plot and a plan to say that it was a natural disaster or something about drowning here. And now they're drowning here in fear. They wanted to possess you. They wanted to control your thought. They wanted you to be a work slave. They wanted to enslave you. They wanted you to be a prisoner. Something about some legal issues. Something's getting ready to be ruled in someone's favor. We have something here about mental illness and suicide. Somebody in this group may be facing like some type of mental illness. Like they thought that they were gonna like be you, or they were gonna receive something off of destroying you here. They're in their head. They can't get out here. Yeah, something about your love. You having love. Love is surrounding you. Something about the Middle East here. We have religious beliefs here. An older woman. So an older woman could have been the one that started this group here. This could have been a driver here. Something about somebody's losing power. Unrequited love here. Divorce is here. Separation. Something about your independence, your wealth here. You're getting ready to receive some type of inheritance here. I feel like your inheritance is whatever this is that you're building, that you're creating, that this group here was trying to stop here. Yeah, heavy projection right now, but you're still moving forward. You are the key. Let's get some initials here. Let's see. What initials, first, middle, last initial that is doing this? There's the spirit right now. They were trying to paint a fake narrative here, trying to cause the collective legal issues, cyberbullying them so that they can control the collective's path here. This group is in their south node, reprobated mindset. They need the collective's energy. Spirit is saying this is no more. Give me some initials here. Please and thank you. We have O, U, Z, N, L, Y, I, O again, so we have double O, M, and we have K. So we have no, we have the word no, we have zoo here, we have you. What else? We have Lou here, could be significant. We have Kim, that could be significant. Spirit is saying this is a no for them. Be you. Something about Kim is significant, so you could be a Kim or somebody in this group. Kim here that they're drowning right now. They're gasping for air. They're angry right now. You get to move forward in a situation. They could not sabotage you. They could not get you to argue with them, for you to turn on yourself, to like, they just basically, I feel like, wanted you to completely give up here. And now somebody is trying to control the outcome. They're getting bad karma here. A fake narrative has been exposed. Something about they can't hold on anymore. Too many different things taking place in their energy. Yeah, second house, you're getting ready to get what you need and what you deserve here. Something about your beliefs and a marriage here, a higher commitment is here again. Yeah, celebrations. You could be a Gemini here. Something about your communications. Your fifth house, something that you have created here that's getting ready to manifest blessings into your energy. Something about a Taurus in the reverse. Yeah, your ninth house, a Taurus in the reverse, just watching you do things in a big way. Yeah, something about you getting ready to get your flowers here. Yeah, success and emotional fulfillment, Spirit is saying, is yours. Yeah, so they're angry. They don't know, like, I feel like somebody's worried, like, when the truth comes out, like, what's going to be the outcome or their consequences.